at the bottom of this email, my digital signatures are inserted, and now I can simply add the addressee and then click send. Your email signature is a text like your contact information or a favorite quote that will automatically be added at the end of every Gmail messages. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create the digital signatures in Gmail. Sign into your Gmail account and then open the Gmail, and from the top right you would see this setting icon. Click that, and from here you will have to go to the see all settings, and within the settings you will see the multiple tabs, as you can see on the top general labels in boxes, but the signature settings are there in the general tabs, so you need to stay within the general tab and come down, and over here you would see the option of a signature, and right now there are no signatures attached with this email account. In order to create the new signature, I'll just create new. You have to name your digital signature, so I'll just give the name and click create, and towards the right side you will see the option where you can add the digital signatures which will be appended at the end of your every email. So I'm just going to write my channel name, and I also would like to add an image like a logo of my channel. So in order to add an image, you need to click this option. You can also add the link, which means that you can give an address of your website in your digital signature. You can add the logo. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to add a random image here. The image will be inserted in its original size, so you need to click on the image and then click small. The image would be inserted. You can customize your digital signature by making it bold, italics. You can change the font, and once you are done, you need to come down and click save changes, and then you need to go exit. And now if I'll just create the compose message, and if I start to write an email, I will have this option of insert signature. I'll just click that, and here whatever the name you have given to your digital signatures, that would be shown here. You can add multiple signatures, like you can add a digital signature for a new email, and you can add the digital signature for the subsequent mails. So I'll just click that, and as you can see that at the bottom of this email, my digital signatures are inserted, and now I can simply add the addressee and then click send. And if you want to edit your digital signature, you can click the manage signatures. It will take you back to the general tab page, from where you can come here and you can click edit, and from here you can change the digital signatures, and again you can click save changes. If you want to know how you can attach a single PDF file and send it to the Gmail, or if you want to send the multiple PDF files in a single Gmail, you would see the tutorials that would be displayed in the end screen card somewhere now. In any case, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.